car and jacket up and change tires. Wash my socks and Soho, and jeans. Come on, sing your Kenwood.
What's the most visited national park in the U.S.?
Great Smoky Mountains National Park.
Exactly.
I looked it up and looked it up.
And we have Thimble Lane with their little costume, huh? See you all?
There's the other one right there.
There we go. Where's she at? There she goes. There's Nancy.
Hi guys, Nancy from Thimble Lane. I'm wearing Hello Kitty. I'm a cat tonight. Hanging out with the bunnies tonight.
Because we love somebody.
And we love everybody here. This is a great meetup for anybody that is watching. This is a great family. We're having a great time by the campfire, hanging out with the bunnies. We love you, YouTube people.
Oh, I got you guys.
Yeah.
We love Floyd.
Y'all here. Uh-oh. Is that RV underwear? RV underwear! Oh, let's go see this boy. RV underwear. Oh my God, I didn't know your legs were so big. Dude, I have got a sticker of you on my black tank. Where's your Newmar?
Yeah, where's that Newmar?
Where's that Newmar? You put my sticker on your black tank? On my black tank. Yeah, that's okay. Where do we put Carrie? Where are you? Where do we put RV underwears?
Okay.
No? Huh? Where do we put his?
Well,
what? I'm sorry, what?
Where'd you?
We haven't decided yet.
I'm being nice.
Okay.
I'm being nice.
You're not on the black tape.
You're being nice. I saw it. I saw it on the video.
No, I just.
I saw it on the video.
Temporary, Gus.
I'm getting pissed off.
For dramatic.
It's better to be pissed off than
Stop
pissed
it.
on.
Who's the giant?
Shut up.
Who's the giant?
Hey, your head's a lot bigger in person.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome,
thank
dude.
Thank you. But I want to tell you something. You look better without the beard. Don't grow the beard. Uh-oh. Here we go. I got something to ask you. So, easy, brother. Easy, man. So, on your live stream, why didn't you read what I told you?